In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot when you're having trouble going online with your Uber driver app. If you're eagerly trying to connect but encountering issues, don't worry, we've all been there, and getting back on track may be simpler than you think. Together, we're going to go through a series of steps that will hopefully resolve your issue efficiently and get you back on the road in no time. First, let's look at the app blocker. When you're trying to go online and it's not working, pay close attention to the message that pops up at the bottom of your screen. This message often explains why your account might be blocked and provides guidance on how to address the issue. It's a good place to start because it might point you directly to the solution, saving you time and frustration. Next up, let's make sure your network connection isn't the culprit. A weak or unstable connection can easily disrupt your ability to go online. Try changing locations and see if the network signal improves. Make sure you're in an area with strong cellular coverage. Sometimes stepping outside or moving to another room can make a difference. Now let's ensure that both your Uber driver app and your device's operating system are up to date. Running outdated versions can lead to unexpected issues. Head over to your App Store to check if there are any available updates for Uber or your phone's operating system. Keeping your apps and devices updated usually includes bug fixes and improvements that can solve connectivity problems. If those steps haven't resolved the issue, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the Uber driver app. Sometimes this can clear glitches that are preventing you from connecting. When you reinstall the app, you're essentially starting fresh, which can often eliminate minor bugs that occur over time. Remember to reinstall from a trusted app store to ensure you have the official version. Finally, if you've tried all these steps and are still facing difficulties, it may be time to contact Uber support. You can reach them directly through the app or by visiting their website. They have specialized teams ready to assist with technical issues, and they can provide more personalized support if required. By following these steps, hopefully you can resolve any issues with going online on your Uber driver app swiftly and efficiently. Remember, keeping your app updated and maintaining a stable network connection is key in preventing these problems altogether. Keep an eye on those app messages for troubleshooting hints and don't hesitate to reach out to support when needed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you get back to doing what you love, driving.